What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to insert a SIM or SD card into Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. When you hold your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or Note 20 with the screen facing your way, the SIM/SD card slot will be on the left far corner of your phone. And when you hold it with the camera facing you, then the SIM/SD card slot will be on the right hand side. It is very important to remember that, and the reason why I'm telling you this, guys, is because opposite to the SIM/SD card slot on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, you have a microphone, so you do not want to accidentally insert your SIM ejector tool and damage it. Once you locate your SIM/SD card slot, in order to insert the SIM card or SD card into Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra, all you have to do is hit the like button. just kidding, but seriously, don't forget to smash the like button if this video will be helpful to you. All you have to do is grab the provided SIM ejector tool that came with the phone in the box, insert your SIM ejector tool into a little hole that's located on the SIM/SD card slot tray, and firmly press on the SIM ejector tool until the SIM/SD card tray slides up. Once it slides up, you'll be able to grab it with your fingers and take out the SIM/SD card tray and insert your SIM or SD card into it. Keep in mind that Samsung Galaxy Note 20 doesn't have an SD card compartment, and this top compartment where SD card is inserted on a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will just be closed off, just like shown in the picture. So for those of you who have Note 20, make sure you do not insert the SD card if it fits into the SIM card slot, because you also might damage your phone. Once again, just to be clear, for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the SIM card opening is located on the bottom of the SIM/SD card tray, and the top portion is designated for your SD card, which Galaxy Note 20 doesn't have at all. If you still have any questions, please comment down below and I'll be happy to help you guys out. Once you install your SIM card and SD card into the SIM/SD tray, all you have to do is simply insert the SIM/SD tray back into the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra. Make sure that it sits flush with the top of your phone, and if it's not, you just have to push it in a little harder until it sits flush. And your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra should be able to recognize your SIM card and or SD card within a few moments. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to insert a SIM or SD card into Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe because it's free. YouTube doesn't charge any money for that, but it helps Unbox the Box get more opportunities to get new tech so I can make helpful videos for you guys. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content.